Let me introduce my friend.
I started the morning at a cafe in Kathmandu, sitting down with a fellow Nepali entrepreneur who runs an e-commerce brand out of Bali. 10 minutes in, we were already talking partnerships and what's possible when Nepali founders link up.
If we don't reinvest into the business, यो सबै काम गर्दा like full potential
एड स्पेन्डलाई सुरुमै कति छुट्याइदिउँ भनिदिउँ न म सिधै वान सर्ट छुट्याइदिन्छु
Okay, सुरुमै like yeah, if possible 15K for the first month.
Easy,
अनि त्यसपछि we can just like keep reinvesting.
Tonight, we're heading to the Barai Hotel. My brother Splash flew in from Canada to host the event in Nepal, and I am one of the speakers.
So I'm at Julie's. This is my favorite salon, and now I'm gonna look fresh. So you'll see the before and after. Hey guys, this is my final look. Now I look more fresh, and thank you to my friend, my barber. He's the best. His name is Kaulis in Julie's. He's the best guy. Like I don't even have to say anything. Like I just like come here, sit down, and like he does his job, and I'm happy, and like I look fresh and cool. You know? Yeah. Now we'll see you in the event. So guys, we're here now. We're at Hotel Barahi, like for Elite Entrepreneurship Nepal meetup. We have our brother Splash in Nepal right now, and he's hosting the event. Like he's such an influential figure for Nepalese entrepreneurs, especially in the agency space. And yeah, I will like talk with a lot of other entrepreneurs as well and show you like what they're doing, like how are they making millions of dollars every single month while working remotely online. Let's go, guys. Oh, Suzo! I'm doing the vlog today. Let me introduce my friend. So yeah, he's got an email marketing agency. He's the GOAT. He's just got a new car. So sick. Yeah. We'll talk more. Okay, we'll talk more. Let's go.
Today I wanna go to Atlantic Ave, so I wave my hand and I call for a cab. Huge billboards, graffiti on the wall. Let me tell you what else I saw. Donate to the family of police who were shot in the streets with the billboard read. I sat for a minute, thought about life. Hey, you got $1? That's what the homeless man said.
Thank you, brother. Thanks for inviting. My name is Sambhav. I go by Sam, the international market. And currently we are running. Sambhav, pronounce course, and I'm just like.
You're talking to a Parisian, bro. No one can say my name. You know what I'm saying? That's why everyone calls me Splash. Right? Good.
Okay, so.
Yeah. It's like definitely the mindset thing. Like when I started, like I was not a media buyer. I was not earning in dollars. Like I was a web developer, and nobody knew about it. I believe so because like many of you know me as a media buyer, you know, because like I post content like just regarding the meta ads and like other e-com stuff. But yeah, I was a web developer, and then I started reaching out to Nepali like businesses, like started creating website for a lot of brands. Like I also reached out to one of the blogger, like his name is Chetan Vlogs. I also made a website for him, you know, like I cold called him, like he was putting out like his numbers in public and I cold call him.
Legendary. That's what's up.
Yeah, and then yeah, like I talked about like what he can do with the website and like all the stuff. He had also the like music studio, like to get clients and stuff. Like that's how I started. And then after like creating a lot of websites for clients, they started like telling me that, okay, you created the website, but I can't find it on Google, you know, because like you gotta do the SEO for that. You need to list in the search engines, you know. And I started doing SEO, you know, for them. And then like I started with Facebook ads, you know. That's how I figured out what I will be good at or what I enjoy doing, and like that became my main expertise. And like I have been doing that for over 8 years, and like I still open ads manager every single day, and like I really love doing. I was asking like how do I find out what to do tomorrow, and that like that's I think you got like better answer now, you know.
Yeah.
Because like
Do
you gotta
something.
you gotta try. Like I used to do everything. I did everything you can think of. Like I was shooting videos. We were taking a lot of clients, so we also did like wedding videography and stuff. And then
say one thing हैन उ चितवनमा गएर वेडिङ सुट गरेर अनि भोलि बिहान 4 बजे कलेज पनि आउँथे के
exactly, yeah, and like and you can complain, you know, like so you just like gotta figure out what works the best for you right now, and then like be better at it. That's the story.
Wow. That's amazing, man. Brother, actually, you said
his own agency, like $2,000 or so, and I just told him if he wanted
tough up, right? And it's not really. I don't think. That's what I did, bro. You know, you know, so you need to be doing more.
Alex Hormuz said like you need to track, like if you're feeling like you're not doing enough, track every 15 minutes, you know, like write what you did last 15 minutes. And when you see all the repetitive tasks that you are seeing, like which is not high leveraged task, like just hire people and, you know, replace yourself on that part. And like how you do it is by creating SOPs, like maybe record videos how you would do that task, like showcasing like all the tutorials, everything, collect all the resources that you need, and then just like provide the proper training for your new hirings. That's how you do it.
So hi guys, my name is Abesh. So at the moment I'm currently working on a new consulting offer. So this is where I essentially help other coaches scale their coaching program. So previously, before this, I was doing more so of a growth partner role, but now I'm transitioning into the consulting side, getting away from the operation and trying to help as many coaches that I can. And for my B2C side of things, I essentially help other individuals that want to break into the remote sales side, or even B2B business owners that want to help, you know, close more deals. So that's what I do. And, you know, going forward, it's just a case of scaling it to 100K per month. And yeah, it's just onto new things and onto better things. But yeah, Manoj, he's the GOAT as well, you know, in terms of ads
you're
and
the GOAT,
everything. But yeah, and
Yeah, I'll drop the Instagram link as well in the description. Go check it out if you want to get started with like making money online. He's also one of the guy to look after.
Yes,
and
sir.
what like one piece of advice you'd like to give to like 18 years old who wants to get started like making money online?
do what you want to do. Don't kind of dictate other people's opinion on what satisfies them. So do what you got to do, get started, and avoid the outside noise.
Let's go.
Welcome to Manoj's vlog. Like and subscribe.
Must have,
Okay.
like known him as well. Like he comes to my YouTube
Vlog,
a lot of time.
yeah.
We did the podcast. Like we do like everything together.
Yeah.
So yeah.
3 videos. Yeah.
So yeah, like give one piece of advice to somebody who wants to make money online.
And work hard. Stop being a bitch. And yeah, make no excuses. That's it. And subscribe to his YouTube channel.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. ए बेचेर भने हो गाडी बिग्रियो भने
गाडी खतम भयो भन्नाले मलाई आएछ
Yeah, the Vendro AI.
सकिसकेको कोर्स नि
के छ आरामै
I used to watch the content.
ए हो ए हो Okay, I'm also shooting the video right now. All right. Hello, bro. के छ
I've been knowing like धेरै भयो
हजुर
back पहिलेदेखि
you can just like grab the mic. I'm doing the vlog.
like I have been knowing Manoj for long time. He's doing a media buying for e-commerce.
Means a lot.
Like I have joined your session. I have got,
Really?
Yeah, like
Which session?
Back to 2024, I think. Yeah, 25.
Okay.
How I structure ad account or like
Okay.
value.
Yeah.
First, like I was just starting out and like भर्खर starting out गरेको थिएँ अनि like I have got like a lot of bunch of like knowledge and like
great.
I was like what the fuck what time just
Okay.
कति कुराहरु सिक्नु छ जस्तो लागिरहेको थियो.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's great.
Yeah, bro, there's always something to learn, you know. Thank you. I'm asking everybody today, like, what single piece of advice you'd like to give to somebody who is just starting out, you know, like to make money online.
Everything is figure outable. Just be delusionally optimistic. Life is a feedback loop, होइन अनि just do things अनि take feedback, learn अनि त्यसपछि फेरि do अनि like त्यो repeat गर्दा गर्दै and you'll figure things out.
Exactly. Repeat everything, but not mistakes.
It's the same as well. I was going to say the exact same thing. I guess people think a lot and they just don't take actions. Okay? So imperfect actions are better than not taking any actions. Right? So one piece of advice is fuck around and find out. Okay? You will make mistakes. And all of us, like Manoj, Pravis, every one of us had made a lot of mistakes. But we figured out by making those mistakes. So yeah, guys, like make those mistakes and you'll eventually figure out everything.
Oh yeah, we have my brother like Splash. He's like such an influencer figure in Nepal, like in terms of Nepalese entrepreneurship community, especially like a lot of my friends, agency owners, like got inspired from you, you know, like to get started, like they're doing really great. So what single piece of advice you'd like to give to 18 years old, like who's just looking to get started, you know, like to make money online?
Yeah, I mean, it's the best position to be in, being young with time and energy and without all these responsibilities. So just taking advantage of that. And, you know, like, I really like what you shared earlier, right? How you did everything, man. Like, I was inspired by that, right? Even the story of you going to Chitwan and then coming back in the 4 a.m, like, you know, that says a lot about you and why you're here where you are today. So I think I would literally suggest people do the same thing. I think that was a pretty common thing around this is like, stop waiting around to do something. Just do, try things, fail. It's the best time to fail, man. It's, you know, it's when you have kids and wife and a lot of these responsibilities, it's harder to take risk and it's harder to do some of these things. So, you know, while you have this time to do it, man, that's what I would say, bro. That's what I would say.
That's great. And you have done it all. Like you have like one of the biggest email agency, you know, like it's going great, like with automation, I'd like to say, and you're also like killing it with the events, you know. Like what's next for you? Like where do you know, like see yourself, or where do you want to go?
For sure. You know, for me, and I really like doing the events, so I'll continue doing the events. And I think, you know, just taking a break from content and just doing all that, like I'm just excited to come back with a clearer mind.
Yeah.
You know, I'm just in a whole different headspace as well. So I've gotten excited about content again. So I'm honestly very, very hyped for this, I would say, you know what I mean? So yeah, I think that's what's next for me. Just, you know, like I like what I'm doing, and even this year, like with events, content, and whatever we're doing, like I have a lot of clarity on what I need to do, so just continue doing that.
Okay, that's great. Yeah. Anything you wanna say?
And shout out all the Nepalese entrepreneurs, bro. I have such a soft spot in my heart for Nepalese entrepreneurs. You know, anytime any of you guys need help or anything, just please reach out. You know, I don't hesitate to reach out. Like, we all need to grow together, right? It's better for the future of Nepal and even the president of Nepal if we just all try to grow together. So, man, it's dope even to see what you're doing. You know, you're inspiring a lot of people.
Yeah,
all the different entrepreneurs as well.
You have inspired like the whole room.
Yeah, man, and it's just awesome to see. So like, I think let's just continue building on this.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
really,
we want to see more entrepreneurs from Nepal coming through.
It's really motivating, like, you know, while meeting you, like we see like what can we do even 100%. As a Nepalese entrepreneurs, and like it's really inspiring. I'm gonna also put the link, all of your links and Discord channels in the description. So
thank you so much.
Yeah, check out, and
yes,
yeah, thank you, bro.
Of course.
It was cool.
Have fun at dinner now, and you're gonna see the next vlog at dinner.
Let's go.